Hello viewers, welcome to another episode of knowledge sharing. For today, we're looking at this question. It says 1 over a plus 1 over b equals 1 over 13. So we are going to find the value of a plus b, where a will always be greater than 0 and b always greater than 0. Therefore, we have a solution. We are given 1 over a plus 1 over b equals to 1 all over 13. We are asked to find the value of a plus b. So what we are going to do is for us to multiply both sides by ab. So what we are going to do, we have 1 over a plus 1 over b all multiplied by ab equals to 1 all over 13 times ab. So here when we expand this parenthesis, we have here 1 over a times ab plus 1 over b times ab equals to this same thing as ab all over 13. This same thing as when we multiply this, we have ab all over a plus we have ab all over b equals to ab all over 13. You can see that a will cancel here and a will cancel here. B will cancel here and B will cancel here. We are now left with B plus this is remain A equals to AB all over 13. So here we can multiply both sides by 13. So this will become 13 into B plus A equals to AB all over 13 times 13. So that will give us, in this case, 13 will cancel here and 13 will cancel here. We are now left with 13 into b plus a equals to ab. We are left with ab. So here we can expand this parenthesis. 13 times b we have 13b. Then 13 times a we have plus 13a equals to ab. So in this case, we can transfer the whole of here to this other side. This will become AB. When this transpose into this other side, become minus 13b, and this other side become minus 13a, all equals to 0. So here, for us to further simplify this or evaluate this, we need to add and subtract 169. The reason being that we want to factorize. So the factors of 169 is 13 times 13, so that we will be able to factorize this equation. So this will become AB minus 13B minus 13A plus 169 minus 169 equals to 0. You can subtract this. This will go off. We just bring that for us to be able to factorize this. So this will give us AB minus 13B. We group this, and here we bring down minus. Dividing minus 13a by minus, it will give us 13a. Dividing 169 by minus, it will give us minus 169. So we are now left with minus 169 equals to 0. So here we can see that we have two identical, which is b here, and we also have identical, which is 13. We can factor it out. So this will become b into a minus, dividing here by here will become 13. So here we have minus 13, then dividing the whole of here by 13 will give us a. Dividing here by 13 will give us minus 13. Then we bring down minus 169, all equals to 0. So here, this can be written as taking each of these, take one of them, we have a minus 13, then we take, it remains b minus 13. So we have here b minus 13. We are left with minus 169. So it can be transposed into this other side. So it become plus 169. So this is what we have. And here, 169, we are going to look at the factors of 169. So the first factors of 169 is 1 times 169. So the second factor of 169 is 13 times 13. So we have here 13 times 13. So the third factor of 169 is 169 times 1. So we have here 169 times 1. So here we can see that we have three different factors of 169. So we are going to bring it as case 1, and this is case 2, and this is case 3. So we are going to substitute these cases, the factors of 169, in the place of 169 in this equation. So what we are going to do is for us to come over to this other side. So here we say case 1, our equation remain a minus 13 into b minus 13. Then taking the case 1, we are going to take 1 times 169. So this is equals to 1 times 169. So we have two parentheses here, which is equals to the factors of this 129. So it's going to be the first parenthesis equals to the first factor, and the second parenthesis equals to the second factor. So we take one after the other. So the first one is a minus 13 equals to the first factor, which is 1. And also we have b minus 13 equals to the second factor, which is 169. So in this case, to find the value of a, we make a the subject of this expression, which is a equals to 1. When minus 13 transposed into this other side, it becomes plus 13. Therefore, our value of a equals to 14. That is 1 plus 13. So this other side, making b the subject of this expression, we have b equals to 169. Then minus 13 transposed into this other side become plus 13. So here our b will become this 3 plus 9 gives us 12. Take 1, we have 1 plus 6 gives us 7 plus 1, 8. So we have 182. So for our question says we should find the value of a plus b. Therefore, in this case 1, our value of a plus b will become 14 plus 182. Therefore, our value of a plus b will become, when we add this will give us 196. So the value of a plus b in case 1 gives us 196. So the second case, where we have case 2, our equation still remain a minus 13 into b minus 13 equals to, for case 2, we say that we have 13 times 13. So here will become 13 times 13. So we have two parentheses here. The first one will be equal to 13, and the second one will be equal to 13. So in this case, we need to come over here. Then, as we said for case 2, we have a minus 13 equals to, for the first parenthesis, will be equal to 13. So the second parenthesis, which is b minus 13, equals to 13. Therefore, to make a the subject of this expression, we have a equals to 13. When minus 13 transposed into this other side, it becomes plus 13. Therefore, our value of a equals to 26. That is for the second case, value of a. So for this other side, we have b equals to 13. When minus 13 transposed into this other side, it becomes plus 13. So we have the value of b equals to 26. Therefore, from our question, we asked to find the value of a plus b. So the value of a plus b will become 26 plus 26. Therefore, we have the value of a plus b as 26 plus 26 become 52. So this is the second case value of a plus b. So we are going to look at case 3, where we have from our equation where a minus 13 into b minus 13 equals to, for the third case, we have 169 times 1. So in this case, we have the first parenthesis, which is equals to a minus 13 equals to 169. So this other side, we have b minus 13 equals to 1. For us to find the value of a from this equation, we make A, the subject of this expression, we have A equals to 169. When minus 13 transpose into this other side, it becomes plus 13. So in this case, our value of A will become 3 plus 9 will give us 12. Take 1. 6 plus 1 will have 7. 7 plus 1 we have 8. Then we bring down 1. The value of A will become 182. So here we have B as the subject of this equation, where B equals to 1. When minus 13 transpose into this other side, become plus 13. So the value of B equals to 14. Therefore, our value of A plus B for case 3 will become A plus B, which is equal to 182 plus 14. Then the value of A plus B will become, when we add this, it will give us 196. So these are the three values of A plus B that we have. This is for case 1, and this is for case 2, and this is for case 3. They all satisfy this equation. If you like what we are doing here, follow us on our Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, comments, and share videos for more interesting topics. Thank you.